Alright, so in this video I'm basically going to be showing you how to make a cut in LightBurn. So first thing I like to do is just make sure my feed rates are good. So my speed's at 1200, my power is at 95, and my pass is at 2. And that's what I like to use for my machine. This circle right here is my test cut. Did a little test cut, everything's working perfect. So highlight what you're gonna cut, and first thing I like to do is just frame it out. So I click this button right here and it's just gonna frame around. So I'll show you right here in the laser. All right, so now that we got that all framed out, next thing I like to do is just pretty much get that cut going. So all you're gonna do is hit start. Make sure you're connected to your machine. Hit start and away it goes. So right now I'm running the LaserTree K40 diode laser powered by the Arduino with GRBL V3 shield. For this video I'm focusing mainly on the workflow, but in the future I'm going to be showing you a video on how I built that and designed it. Alright, so we still got one more piece to cut. Pretty much what we got to do is deselect everything and just select this outside layer, and this outside piece is going to cut. So what we do is here, we just get over here, we just hit start. All our settings, everything is good already, so we're ready to go. Hit start. And that's what the two layers look like coming fresh out of the laser. So now I'm going to get it all ready for paint. First layer is going to be black, and the second layer is going to be yellow. That's what it looks like. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe.